Namaskar, my name is Saurabh Jain, and today on my show I have Vijay Nair, who's one of my students and really amazing Instagrammer. Vijay Nair is ex-Indian naval officer as well as he's commander by rank, and he's doing extremely well for himself on Instagram. So welcome to my show, Vijay, and I'm so happy with the way you have been growing on social media every single day.
Yeah, thanks, Saurabh. I'm, uh, first of all, I must say it's a privilege to be here talking to you because the journey has been amazing. Like I've been following you for close to a year and on off. And of course, lockdown gave me an opportunity to get connected to you. And the journey has been so wonderful. Uh, I'm
Awesome, Vijay.
truly, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Yes, go ahead. I stopped you maybe between you wanted to finish your statement. Yes, go ahead.
No, in fact, I'm truly honored to be here. You know, I generally connect, being from the armed forces, I generally connect to people who are inspiring, who are inspiring and who adds value to the life of others. And I see you that way, though you may be younger to me by age, but then your deed makes you much more better person because you're giving to the society.
Thank
It's
you
not
so much.
it's not about money or it's not about fame or something, but in the process you are giving to people. And someone who gives to people, he's great. That's why I liked connecting to you because हम बोलते हैं ना फौजी. As a fauji, it's we have a line: we kill by profession, we live by chance, and we love by choice. So, so connecting to you is by choice. So with
Thank
that,
you so much. Thank you, Vijay. So Vijay, thank you for kind words. I have been noticing that you've been doing really well on Instagram. Now, I have certain questions for you, Vijay. And my first question today is, what inspired you to get into the Indian naval force? What inspired you to get into that?
in fact, you must, I've been doing a lot of webinars and stories and things. So there's a very constant statement I say, for me joining Navy, I won't say something out of the box, but purely it was that love for uniform. White was something which really attracted me when I saw it for the first time when I was in eighth standard. So that gave the first trigger, and this is way back in late 1980, 87, 88, and that was my first trigger, and that's how I started. And I belong to Mumbai. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. So I come from a very small suburb, and those days there were not many people who would give you idea about how to join the armed forces. And now it's the age of internet. You have so many. So now the problem then was no information, and now the problem is information overload.
Right.
That's a huge gap in 20 years. Now the problem is how to choose the correct information. So during our time, nothing was there, and some through some sources, somebody's uncle or something, I came to know that okay, this is the process of joining the armed forces rather, and my choice was pretty clear then, and that inspired me to join. And if you remember, I don't know whether it's in your time, but in our time, there were two serials which used to come in TV. One was Fauji, Shah Rukh Khan ka, and one was Paramveer Chakra.
Right.
So these two had a major role in influencing me.
Wow.
The way you influence people. That was two things which influenced me to look up towards the uniform.
So Shah Rukh Khan was your influencer.
Not exactly, but I would say the serial Fauji and all the characters. Of course, Shah Rukh being he played a central character there.
Right.
So the entire charm, the entire bravery, that somehow triggered my passion to join the armed forces.
Awesome. This is brilliant. Okay, Vijay, that's great to know about your journey and how you started and what inspired you to get into the Indian Army. Now, my question is, you said you're retired, and what do you do at the moment?
Okay, so my journey in Navy was 1999 to 2009. So I completed 10 years as a commissioned officer, and I relinquished my commission as a lieutenant commander. So that's a major equivalent in Army and a, squadron leader in Air Force. So I'm a lieutenant commander. So 12 years, last 12 years, I have been with one of the very prominent national bodies of India who's into shipping. And it comes under, it comes as a Section 25 company under Ministry of Shipping. So uh, currently I work with them and I had a senior position there in one of their subsidiary bodies. So I'm a vice president by rank there, and of course, uh, the day is pretty hectic and pretty busy over there. But I'm enjoying those moments. Now last 22 years of working, 10 years with Navy and 12 years with this organization.
Wow. So I have been seeing you doing phenomenal work on Instagram. What is your purpose of using Instagram? I've seen you drastically grow from zero to 15,000 followers in the span of 3 months. So, what is your inspiration to inspire the world, and what is your purpose of using Instagram?
Yes, Saurabh. So first of all, I must compliment again you for this because I was a passerby on the Instagram. Though, like all of us have phone, top end phone, and Instagram was one of those apps which used to be there. And Facebook being pretty active, Facebook was there from, and in our time it was Orkut when first it started. So nothing, no inclination per se. So Instagram was mostly I used to post about my being a marathon runner myself into sports. I used to post some photographs and for family and friends and very close circle. And then a couple of time I used to see people with huge following and many of them adding value to the life of other people.
Right.
There are influencers, different type of influencers, and it happened that one of the accidental, to be very frank, accidental. When I was checking my mail, one of those mail happened to be from your end. I don't know how it happened, and it was like join for a webinar for Instagram group, and the purpose. So what attracted me was not the number of followers, but the purpose. So touch wood or whatever say, we went through that difficult scenario of lockdown and you had nothing much to do and go outside. So I'm a person who believe in upgrading your our my knowledge, like what you do. So growth, learning is never ending. So I am that person. I keep on upgrading myself. So when I chanced upon your webinar, so I attended couple of times, and then here was a person who was very clear in what he's speaking. Uh, being from the corporate, I keep on meeting lots and lots of people, So it's very easy for us to understand who's genuine and who's not, And there are people who come, make money, go, and they vanish next day. But when I attended couple of your session, I felt here is a person who is very true. And being from the forge, that attracted me towards the content thereafter. First is person, of course. You see the genuinity of that person. Thereafter, you move to the content. And then I was pretty impressed with the way you delivered that webinar. It's all about that delivery, uh, the person himself, how clear he is. So all those things I found in that webinar. And money is fine. Money for me, money does matter definitely. So for upgrading yourself, it's an investment. And then the very long lost purpose of my thing. As I started this talk, I said, when I was growing up, joining the forces, there was nobody to guide me. And here I came with a purpose. I got my niche, as you say. that my niche was to give back to the society.
Wow.
There were so many youngsters who want to join the armed forces, who want to know about the armed forces. And I was told that Instagram is a medium where youngsters come, where it is more about youngsters.
Right.
So I said, okay, this is the right way to catch them. And that's how I landed on this platform.
Wow. That's great. So you have been focusing a lot to inspire the Indian youth, also educate them a lot about Indian Army. So what has been your experience by far in this journey of what you've been sharing? Have you seen something very noticeable that you would like to share with us today?
Exactly. So the journey started with, I had some 1,500 people who were very close family friends who were there on Instagram. And then when I attended your seminars and you showed how you can reach the niche and other things. And trust me, once I found my niche, it was no more a difficult task. Whatever you gave in your course, I followed it religiously. I said, okay, this is my purpose. And trust me, today, the number stands at some 14,000 something, 13,900 or something. That is immaterial. But the value I could add, there are at least 10,000 students connected to me across India. And I do for free as of now. Uh, uh, and there are some 20 students who within last 4 5 months they have joined army, air force, navy, in
Wow.
the officer cadre. So
Wow.
that is a huge give back, and my purpose of that entire lockdown, I believe, was met, and upgrading myself. And you also feel young when you connect with the young people. It's not
Right.
about it's and my earlier perception of the young generation was that they are more of a TikTok generation. They don't know much about how to do, but the entire perception changed. And here I was meeting a set of different youngsters totally. And trust me, there are millions of such youngsters, and I'm so happy to be amongst them now. A lot of them, they give utmost respect to you. So I connect to them, and in order to be a role model to them, I need to take care of my fitness, my knowledge, my this thing. So it's a learning both ways.
Awesome, Ajay. That's brilliant. So have you also started making revenue in any format?
uh yes, if I say yes, because time is precious, like, though I initially it was all about giving it, but somewhere I realized it takes time, and I am a person who value time because my time is pretty precious like yours. So they were when it is about someone who cannot afford. I would tell you a story of, there were this bunch of students from Himachal Pradesh, and
Okay.
they wanted to take me live, Instagram live. And these students, they were young, 10th, 11th students. They were sitting on rooftop, जहाँ signal एकदम मिलता है, and they were climbing on the rooftop and taking me live. And they were saying, sir, हमारे यहाँ network नहीं है, and we can't afford any course and all. So that's why we are taking you live. And आसपास के सभी बच्चे गांव में, everyone is listening to you.
Wow.
I was so impressed, like, and they were cutting off, फिर live जा रहा था, फिर आ रहा था, all those things. But I was really impressed. And yes, then there are institutions who want to make it commercial, so I do charge them.
Wow.
But definitely, 5 10 minutes, if anyone asks me they want to speak, I speak to them. But if someone really wants a one-on-one session, I do charge, like, I don't charge much, but in order to ensure that they should value that, otherwise free है तो उनके time में आएगा जाएगा.
सही बात.
Once you have that token money, so they are also responsible.
They also take it very seriously when you charge them. Basically.
Exactly. So anyone who want to connect to me one on one, so a lot of people DM, and we do connect one on one.
Wow. Vijay, what's your secret mantra of growing to 15,000 followers in 2 months? What's the tip?
One, of course, Saurabh, you are one of them because, as I said,
Thank you.
entire credit to you, Rishi, and your fantastic team. And the way you guys had designed that curriculum, the entire course, It's pretty interesting. I have done several thousands of courses, technical, not in my entire career. So this was one very interesting course of Instagram and how you learn. Very, very well designed, I must say. Uh, that was pretty interesting. I literally followed what all was written and given in that, and I still keep on following. And that's the I came to know how the Instagram algorithm works. And I've recommended many people. I think few of them have already joined. One of them is a very dear sir to me, Umesh Uncle. He has joined. CA Vishwanathan has joined. So many
Awesome.
of them. You know.
Awesome.
And how when do someone recommend someone? It is
True.
only when someone adds value.
Right.
So I always found your webinars, your course to be value added one. We all see end of the day, we are spending time, you are spending time. Money is fine. Money is a different part of it. But what you add, do you get the value of money? Yes. So I got that value of money. And yeah, so today, like every day, 100, 200 people following me, and I connect to them rather. So the
Awesome, Vijay.
growth has been tremendous, tremendous growth.
Awesome. Vijay, one last question. How old are you?
So I'm 44 now. I'll complete 44,
Awesome.
and even I sometimes feel I always used to feel Instagram is for youngsters. Then somehow realize age is just a number. So be happy wherever you are, and that's all. So I'm so happy that your team is fantastic. A lot of them call. I remember initially when I joined the course, there were people following up with me, and Rishi, of course, now he's a good friend also. So a fantastic team, Saurabh, and Digital Scholar. Your story itself was such a wonderful story of success. I give a lot of whenever I speak in seminars and things, I speak about people because I am a storyteller also. So at many of places I tell your story on how to believe in you. You are one wonderful example of how a person should believe in him and how you should not lower your value. I still
Right.
remember when you had your digital scholar first thing, when everyone was pitching at 10,000, you had 50,000. So
Right.
that shows the content and the quality. So a lot of learning, sort of, it's give and take always. Whenever I get an opportunity, I do log into your webinar. It keeps refreshing you and a lot of new intakes from there. So it does happen. So
Thank,
thanks for that. Thanks to your wonderful team also.
thank you, Vijay. Thank you for taking your time out and doing this interview with me. It means a lot to have you on the board and to see you succeed on a day-to-day basis. It's like, I would say it's icing on the cake. So thank you so much. Wishing you the best, and you are truly an awesome influencer.
Thanks, Saurabh, and I'm sure this journey is going to, further succeed. And you are always there as a friend, as a mentor. Rishi is always there. We can always reach out to you. So together, we hope to have a great journey together. Thank you,
Sure.
Saurabh. Yeah,
Thank you so much. Take care.
thank you so much. Take care.